Hi, Eric from Northland Public Library here. Today we're going to learn about how to use an Android device to mark an item in Hoopla as a favorite. The first thing we need to make sure is that we are online. And if you look in the upper right-hand corner of my screen, you'll see my arrows are bouncing back and forth there, flashing, letting me know that I am on my Wi-Fi. You'll have to be online for this too. You'll also have to make sure that you are signed up for Hoopla, and that you have the Hoopla app downloaded onto your device. If you've got questions about how to do that, you can check out some of the other videos on this channel. So I'm going to tap onto that Hoopla app, and that's going to take me to my main page. And right there, underneath the blue ribbon at the top of the page, you'll see it says Home and Favorites. So what is the benefit of making something a favorite in Hoopla? Well, there are a couple. One, it's like a wish list. You can keep track of what you want to read in the future. Also, you can mark an author or a series to easily find titles. What do I mean by that? Well, you can see here I recently returned an Agatha Christie book. I'm an Agatha Christie fan. So let's say I want to search for some Agatha Christie, but I don't want to weed through all of the books. I just want to check out Miss Marple books right now. So let's say I search for Miss Marple. There we go. And here, all the books on Hoopla by Agatha Christie that are Miss Marples. In the ribbon at the top, with the name of the series, in this case Miss Marple, you'll see a little heart. And if I tap on that heart and make it red, I've added that to my favorites. Okay, so if I go back to my main page, I tap on favorites, right from that main page, I tap on Agatha Christie, and these are all the Miss Marple books. I don't have to search through Poirot and the others. I can just search this particular series by this author. So it's pretty helpful, pretty easy. Another thing, let's say I like an author. Let's see, Robin Sloan. I enjoy Robin Sloan. Okay, now I've read both of these books by Robin Sloan, but I want to make sure that if anything else becomes available on Hoopla, that I can easily get it. So, in the ribbon at the top with the author's name, I'm going to tap on that red heart, add it to favorites. So now, when I go back to my main page, I've got an author that's favorited, Robin Sloan, and a series, the Miss Marple series. This way, right from my main page, whenever I go back out and back in, go tap on favorites, I can easily search either of these and see everything that's available right there. I don't have to search through a bunch of different pages, a bunch of different books, a bunch of different series. I can just search what I'm after that day. So that's one of the benefits, a couple of the benefits really, for marking something as a favorite in Hoopla. If you've got a question about this or any of the applications that we offer through the library, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can email us at nplcomp@einetwork.net. That's nplcomp@einetwork.net. Thanks, and happy reading.